Hi everyone, we are from Group 2 and today we will exploring about the regenerative farming in our real field. So stay tuned, let's go! Regenerative farming is a sustainable agriculture approach that focuses on improving the soil health and then the biodiversity and improving the ecosystem. So in this video, we will look at the 5 key practices that helps the farmers to improve their fruit production and also applying the regenerative farming in their farm. Gideon, why you didn't use tractors to ease your work to tillage this land?
Good question, Harresh. It's because one important principle of regenerative farming is minimizing soil disturbance. So, what is it? Well, excessive tillage can damage soil structure and reduce beneficial soil. Farmers can improve soil health, reduce erosion, and also increase water in the soil for the foundation of a productive and sustainable farm.
Nice explanation. And now, where is your boss? I want to see him lah.
My boss? Where is he? There! Let's go!
Oh, there. So, that is your boss. Hi Lawrence.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hey Lawrence, I have a doubt. After you plant this, harvest these corns,
Yes,
what plant you will grow?
the plant I will grow is legumes. It's because growing different crop instead of the same crop repeatedly help improve soil fertility and reduce pests and disease. It also supports biodiversity and create a healthier agriculture ecosystem. It can improve crop diversity and rotation for the land.
Oh, legumes. For increase the crop rotation and diversity.
Yeah.
Nice. At your farm, I also see a lot of wild trees and animals like birds. So it's remind me about the agroforestry. So agroforestry also a key element in the regenerative farming. Like it's help to water retention and improve the soil fertility, and it also becomes a habitat for the wildlife. Nice. And this practice will increase the biodiversity of your farm, Lawrence.
Yeah.
Nice, good. Okay, thank you, Lawrence. Nice to meet you.
Welcome, Harris.
Hey, Git, I want to ask you lah. Do you use cover crops in your farm?
Yes, for me, cover crops is important to grow and improve the soil. For that, there is many example or benefits that we can find using this with the ground crops. First of all, they help reduce erosion. Also, they suppress weeds and also increase organic matter in the soil, such as worms, microorganisms, and so on. By keeping the ground covered, cover crops contribute to a healthier and more production farming systems for the long term and short term. Thank you.
Oh, okay, Git. I understand. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
See you again.
Right, okay.
Now, let's go to MACLAREN's farm. Let's go. Hi, Mac.
Hello, Harresh.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, I want to ask you lah. Why your farm have cows?
Well, because livestock plays an important role in regenerative farming.
Oh no!
Livestock plays an important role in regenerative farming. Animals such as cattle and goats help recycle nutrients through their manure, which improves soil fertility. Managed grazing can also encourage healthy plant growth and support more balanced ecosystem.
Okay, thank you, Mac. Nice explanation.
Nice to meet you too, Harresh.
Okay, thank you. So be careful with that cow, ah.
Yes,
Okay.
I be careful.
Very big cow.
Regenerative farming uses natural process to improve soil health, biodiversity, and sustainability.
Alright, practices such as reducing soil disturbance, crop rotation, livestock interaction, agroforestry, and cover crop help create an healthier farming system. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Bye.